Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all my dear students. How are you? All are fine? Good. I hope you all are fine and enjoy your session. Okay, and enjoy your study as well as at your home. Okay, don't go outside, inside your home and do study. Okay, because your exam is coming. So do practice at home and write all the topics and revise also. Okay, so today we'll revise for revision for exam. Okay, a revision for your exam because all topics are over. All topics are over. Now revision for all the topics. Okay, for your studies, for your exam. Okay, so now my question is fill the missing letters. Okay, you fill the missing letters. The question is fill the missing letters. Fill the missing letters. Fill the missing letters. Okay, letters, fill the missing letters. The words is related to transport, means of transport. So first recognize the image, then you write the missing letter. On number 1, first you tell me what is the image. What is this? What is this? First you recognize the picture, then fill the missing letter. This is bus. Now tell me what is the spelling of bus? B-U-S, bus. So on this B is already written, S is already written. So you write only U, B-U-S, bus. So in this slipping line, on this slipping line you write small U, B-U-S, bus, B-U-S, bus. Okay. Understand what is the fill the missing letters? Okay, so now on number 2, first you identify the image, then you think about the spelling of the image. The image is bus, spelling is bus is B-U-S, bus. First you revise the spelling, then write missing letter. B-U-S, bus. Understand? Okay. On number 2, what is this? First you tell me what is this? What is this? This is a car. Now, what is the spelling of car? C-A-R, car. So, here we'll write C-A-R, car. C-A-R, car. C-A-R, car. This is a car. This is a bus. So done. Bus, then car. Okay, note down on your notebook. This is the exercise for exam, revision for exam. So note down all the things. On number 1 you write bus. On number 2 you write car, car. Now number 3. Okay, so what is this? This is a van. Now think about what is the spelling of van. Think about what is the spelling of van. It is very simple. V-A-N. Van. Okay, so let us spelling V-A-N. Van. So on this, V is already written, N is already written, so you write only A. Van. V-A-N. Van. This is a van. This is a bus. This is a car. And this is a van. Okay, at number 4. Okay. Now, what is this? This is a G. Okay, this is a G. On the top, of the G, light is here. Okay, so this is a G. What is the spelling of G? What is the spelling of G? J double E P G. So in this slipping line, on this slipping line, you write double E. J double E P J. This is a G. This is a G. So J double E P G. Fill the missing letter. Fill the missing letter. Done. Bus, B-U-S, bus. C-A-R, car. V-A-N, van. And J-E-E-P, G. Okay, note down on your EVS notebook and revise daily all the spelling. Bus, car, van and G. Okay, so fast note down. Then we will start your next topic. Okay, so return all the number 4, bus, car, van and G. Now we will do oral exercise. Okay, so in your oral syllabus, fruit's name is there. Okay, on your oral syllabus. The topic is fruits name. So, fruits name, you recognize and identify all the fruits by their image and learn the spelling of 2 or 3 fruits. Okay. So, let's start. Fruits name. On number 1, tell me what is this? The name of fruit. Tell me the name of fruit by their picture. Okay. Tell me what is this? This is a apple. Okay. This is a apple. What is the spelling of apple? A double P L E. Okay, so you learn the spelling of apple. A double E L E. You count on your finger also. Okay. A double P L E. Apple. Apple means same. And the color of apple is red color. Apple is in red color. Okay. So you identify the fruit apple. Apple is in red color and the name of the apple is A double P L E. Apple. Okay. So you learn the spelling of apple. Again and again you revise the spelling. A double B L E. How many times? 5 times. Okay. A double P L E. A double P L E. Apple. Count on your finger. A double P L E. Apple. A double P L E. Apple. And at last A double P L E. Apple. So you learn the spelling of apple daily. You revise 5 times the spelling of apple. Okay. Okay. My next is what is this? This is a mango. Mango, which color? The mango is in yellow color. Mango is in yellow color. Now, what is the spelling of mango? Okay. Here I am written the spelling of mango is M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Okay. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Mango is in yellow color. Okay. And the spelling of mango is M-A-N-G-O. You revise how many times? 5 times. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. So, 5 times you revise the spelling of mango on your fingers. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Okay. So, this is a mango and it's the spelling of mango. You revise the spelling mango. Okay. So, daily revise the spelling of mango for your exam. You learn the spelling of apple and mango. Okay. On number 3. On number 3, what is this? What is this? This is grapes. Okay. The spelling of grapes is G R A P E S. Grapes. Okay. G R A P E S. Grapes. G R A P E S. Grapes. You revise how many times? 5 times. G R A P E S. G R A P E S. G R A P E S. Okay. Grapes. The spelling of grapes is G R A P E S. Grapes. Okay. So now on number 4. Okay. So this is, what is this? This is bananas. So many bananas. So you write here at last S. So what is the spelling of bananas? B A N A N A S. Okay. When only one banana here, so you write here only banana. Here only one banana, so you write here only banana. B A N A N A. Banana. Revise the spelling. How many times? 5 times. B A N A N A. Okay. B A N A N A. On your EVS notebook, you write all the fruits name. So letters, finger on your finger, eat all the letters and revise all the letters individually. A double P L E, apple. Apple means save. MANGO, mango. Mango means arm. GRAPES, grapes. Grapes means angoor. BANANA, banana. Banana means kela. Okay. On number 5. Okay. So this is papaya. Papaya is in green color. So what is the spelling of papaya? P-A-Y, sorry, P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. Okay. The spelling of papaya is P-A-P-A-Y-A. So papaya is in green color. Banana is in yellow color. Papaya is in green color, and what is the spelling of papaya? P-A-P-A-Y-A. So 5 fruits name: apple, A-double-P-L-E, apple, M-A-N-G-O, mango, G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes, BANANA banana and PAPAY papaya. All 5 fruits. You learn the spelling. Okay, you learn the spelling all 5. Okay, I am telling you in exam the names of fruits. So be prepared for fruits name. Okay, and in return fill the missing letter. Okay, return. We do the practice for fill the missing letter, and in oral you learn the spelling of fruits. Okay, so your return is over, your oral is over. Now your period is over, and bye. Have a nice day.